Good morning, it's Chuck here at Garden Spot Acres. Who else just piles up their firewood for their fire pit just anywhere? We've done that for years. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and do a build to have a nice looking place to stack our firewood. We got this little corner in our garden. Let's go over to the shop. Let's see what we've done so far. Got my whole frame all cut out. I got the front wall, the back wall. I got a pressure treated floor framing here. I got floorboards here. And here we have our rafters and our fascia, front and back fascias. And over here we have our shelf for the interior shelf. So this part of the video, we're gonna get the framing done. In the next video, we'll complete it. Get the siding on and get the roof on. Okay, let's get to work. We'll start with the framing of the floor. The floor framing is just 2x4 pressure treated. I got two 5-foot pieces for the long sides. And I have 5 21-inch long joists here. At the end of the second video, I will give you a complete parts list for this build with measurements. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get this floor frame built. I'll get the floor on it. Then we'll do the front and the back walls. Then we'll do the other parts to hold it together. Then that'll be it for today. The framing will be today. In the next video, I'll get the siding on, get the roof on, and we'll get it in place over in our garden. Okay, as in our other videos, I'm gonna tack this together first with my framing nailer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use our construction screws to hold the frame together. But right now, I just wanna get this tacked together. All right, before I go ahead and put the construction screws into our frame for the floor, I'm gonna go ahead and drill some pilot holes. I'm pretty close to the edge here. All right, we'll set that down on the floor here. And I'll check square. I gotta make sure that's square before I put my floorboards on. (64 5/8). 64 5/8. She's already square, so I'm happy with that. Now if that wasn't square, you could just pick this up on its corners and just push in one corner to make that side shorter and make the other sides longer. Okay, so now I gotta find my floorboards. Here they are here. Everything I'm building with from the frame up. Now the frame for the floor is 2x4 pressure treated. Everything from here on out, except for the siding, is just 2x3s. Cheap 2x3s. Just find some good straight ones at your lumber yard. And I'm going to place these on like this. And I'm going to leave this over here for my frames for my wall. Okay, so I'm not going to put this right to the edge like this. I'm going to put it in like this. Let's see, if I put my walls in, they're going to take up 5 inches. My front and my back wall. So 24 minus 5 is 19. These strips here take up 5 each, so that's 10. 5 and 5 is 10. So I got 19 minus 10 is 9 inches. And I got 5 gaps. So about 1 3/4 for each gap. Okay. All right. So my front wall is going to be flush with this right here like this. Then I'm going to go 1 3/4 inches. And this doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm leaving gaps in it so air can circulate around everything. Second one, just do a quick 1 3/4 right about there. All right, now we'll start on the front wall. The front wall is here with these pieces. Again, I got 2 5-foot top and bottoms. It looks like that. I got my left and my right pieces. And those are $45 each. So the top and bottoms are exactly 5 feet to match my floor. The uprights are 45. So the front wall will have a total height of 48 inches, 4 feet. I'm using 4 feet because that's what my fence is. And I want the highest part of my log rack to be no higher than our white fence out there. All right, I got the 4 sides of the frame tacked together. Now I'm just gonna measure in here And this is just arbitrary, how I think it would look better. I think I'm going to go let's go 14 inches from the side, and I'll put the stud on that side. Front frames together. We're gonna do our pilot holes. And I'm only gonna do those on the corners. Okay, I got one more piece to put in, which is across here. Right, the front framing is complete. This will be the actual front here. Okay. Now we'll set that aside and get working on the back framing. Okay, the back framing, again, 5 foot long top and bottom plates. And this time, my studs are 38 inches tall for a total of 41 inches. So the front is a total of 48, the back is a total of 41. That'll just give me the pitch I need just to run water off the top. For my other studs here, I'm just gonna center these. I know it's 60 inches, so I'll put a 30, 15, and a 45, and we'll just center those at those marks. See where I want to put my shelf. Here's the top of my door. spin around, do the other side. I'll be back with you after that's done. All right, I'm gonna go from the outside in with my construction screws to hold the shelf bracket. I'm just putting them on a slight angle so that they don't come out the other side. Thanks a lot for coming along and taking your time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. You can check me out on Instagram, Garden Spot Acres. You can check me out on Facebook, Garden Spot Acres. And of course here on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next video where we finish this up. Have a great one. Bye-bye.